So we again here with the next part of the video. Okay. So the question is, see, the question is lying on your screen. Okay. So the question is, if two triangles are equiangular, then prove the ratio of their corresponding sides is same as the ratio of the corresponding altitudes. You understood the question? No, sir, we have not understood. Very good. I was thinking that only. If you'll understand the question, what is the use of keeping me as your teacher? Okay, I'm here, so I should decode everything, all the questions, and give you simple answers with the easy method. Okay, so they have not given you the diagram. This is the diagram which I did for you. Okay, so you have to do the diagram by yourself. The diagram, we did the diagram for you. Okay, there are two triangles. Okay, it can be of any length, anything, but they are equiangular. Equiangular means the angles are same. The meaning is that one. Okay, so angles are same. So from there, what is they are trying to say? They're trying to say that given. Okay, we'll write first given. So given is triangle ABC is equiangular. Angular with the triangle PQR. So what does it mean? All the angles of the ABC is same as that of angles PQR. So if all the angles are equal, so the both triangles are similar. Yes. Okay. Indirectly they are saying that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Indirectly they have given you this one. Okay. So as they are saying all the angles are similar, equal. Okay, equiangular to this triangle. So the two triangles are similar. So the one who has understood the word equiangular, he will easily say that the two triangles are similar. Okay. So this is the new thing. Okay, in this question we are trying to learn. Okay. So they gave you similar. So they gave you similar. What do we have to find out? What they are saying? You have to say that the corresponding sides of the two different triangles, okay, will be equal in the ratio form, will be equal to the corresponding altitude. Means the ratio of these two sides equal to the ratio of these two altitude, or the ratio of these two sides, the ratio of these two altitude will be same. You have to prove. Sir, you write and show what I have to prove. Okay, let me show you. Equiangular means all the angles are same. So we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Already told you. Okay. So from here, when all the angles, all the sides, everything is same. So can we write here? So AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to BC by QR. Yes, sir, we can write. Okay. So hold this point along with you. Okay, first point, because it will help you whenever you're doing the. Okay. So we told you this one. Okay. Now from the given we got this one. First point, whenever, see, the thing is that whenever they will give you something given, from there what are the values you can obtain, you have to obtain that one first and the foremost thing, then you will see what you have to prove. So from the given, like this only we are doing from the last so many classes, from so many videos. So from the given I got this value. Okay, very good. Now I will use this proof. Okay, what I have to prove, and I will see what I need to do. Okay, let's do that one. This is what we have to prove. Okay, this is what we have to prove. They're saying that the ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal to the altitude. Means what they're trying to say, you have to indirectly you have to prove. Okay, this one equal to this one and this one equal to this one. Okay, so means this should be equal with this one as well as this one. Huh, sir, easy only. What is the easy in this one? We'll see this triangle. This is AP and AM. Okay, PQ and PN. Sir, we are getting a bit confused. Okay, do one thing. What we have to prove? This one equal to this one and this one equal to this one. You take one by one triangles. Okay, so first we'll prove AB by PQ according to me. Okay, so AM by PN. This one, na? So what is the name of the triangle? So according to the triangle is ABC. Okay, and one more triangle is so ABC is then PQ, PQ, ABC. So AB is there, AB is there, AM is there. So ABM, M, and PQN. These are the two triangles. We have to prove similar. Means this one and this one. Okay, sir. Huh, sir, we got one point. 91st point, we got the point as 90 degree. Okay, write that point. So first point, angle AMB is equal to angle PNQ. Each is 90 degree. We need second point. What is the second point? So second point, you search what is the second point in that one. So one more point is, as I told you, the triangle is equiangular. What does it mean? Means that what are the values this triangle is having angle, same angle. This one equal to this one. This one equal to this one. And this one equal to this one. Okay. Okay. So if you'll see in this triangle, sir, angle B and angle Q is coming. So write according to that. So angle B equal to angle Q. Why? Already given. Okay. So we have proved 2 points. So triangular ABM is similar to triangular PQN. So we did the similarity. From here we can say, so PM by PM, no? So AB. What I'm writing, just a second. So AB by PQ is equal to AM by PN. So we have proved. Yes, sir. Now what else we have to do? Sir, AC by PR is equal to AM by PN also we have to prove. है ना? So AC by PR is equal to AM by PN. This is being left to be proved. Okay, we'll do that one also. The two triangles are, these are the two things which we have proved in the starting. From the given we got this one, and by using this proof we got this one. Okay, what else we need? Sir, we need one more thing. AC by PQ PR is equal to this one by this one. You tell me one thing. Okay, tell me one thing. We said that these all are equal. Okay, for example, if you'll tell me, I will show you a small example. If this whole value is, for example, this whole value is, okay, as 3, I will say this 3. Okay, this is 3. So AP by PQ is 3 equal to 3 and 3. So this is 3. Yes, sir. So this will be, so this is also 3. So this will be, this is also 3. Because I have assigned the value of AB by PQ here as 3. So wherever AB by PQ is there, it will be 3. So this is equal to this one. So 3, this is also 3, this is also 3. Okay. Understood what I am trying to say? See. So understood. So now can I say here from 1 and 2, okay, from 1 and 2, from equation number 1 and equation number 2, okay, 2, that AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. Yes, sir, AC by PR. Instead of writing this one, we doesn't need here. We can write AM by PN. Sir, you can write that one also. Sir, you can write that one also. So we have to prove that one only is done. Sir, can't we take these two triangles and we can do like the way you did this two? Yes, you can do that one also. You can do that one also. But ultimately, for after getting this two, for example, you are getting these 2 points. Okay, after that you have to say, now this is equal to this one, all three are equal. So again, anyhow, you have to come here only to say that as these two are equal, so I have proved this one, this will be also equal. Okay, so why to be so much time you are doing? Okay, so now the thing is, what I am trying to say is, when they give you something, so that's why every time when they have given you something, first you write all the points, so jot down all the points from the given. After that, it will be very simple for you. Okay, so our main motive is to do the sum, okay, right manner, and to save the time also. So for that, we'll do like this only. Okay, you can do that like that also. But one more step you have to do, these two triangles you have to obtain, and you have to say these two are similar, and again you have to do this part. Anyhow, you have to do this part because all three are equal. So you have to mention that, na. So how this all three are equal. Okay, so from given only I got this value. So there is no need to do individually. Clear? The simple question was there. Okay, the only thing that was equiangular. So from there we got many values. So this is a new thing which we have learned from this. Okay, they have given you the diagram, and they are saying that this all the values they have given you. Okay, we need to prove 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by z. Okay, so the given values they are given you directly. There is no need to decode anything. Directly they give you the values 90, 90, 90, and this x, y, z. Okay, so simply they have cracked it and they have given all the values. There is nothing to decode and nothing to break it down. Okay, so the values which they clearly gave you, that value only. Okay, So now if it is done, we'll go for the prove one, because from here only we're going to get the triangles what we need to prove, or the rough idea which we have to do regarding the sum. So from here I came to know 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. Okay, three values are there. So 1 by x, if you'll see 1 by x, x, don't take 1 by x, x only you see is coming in this triangle. So the triangle name is ABD. ABD. Okay. So let me take the triangle ABD because very confusing from the above diagram. So AB, I will just extract the triangle as we have did many times. 1 by y is there, so y is coming in that triangle. Okay, let me extract that one also. Y is there, D is there, C is there, D is there. 1 by z is coming in this triangle, so it can be like this: Z, Q, D, B, or like this also. In both the cases, Z is coming, na? So P is there, here P is there, sorry, and Q is there. So here also Z is there. So to get the x value, we need this one. To get the y value, this the one. This triangle, either this triangle, any of the two triangle. So it is obvious that for x we need this triangle, for y we need this triangle, for z now you have to identify which triangle you have to take. Okay. Now in case if I will say, if I will take this one and can I take this two? So this one by this one I will get, this one by this one, x by y I will get, है ना? So if you see ABD and this, these are two triangles. Okay, the two triangles are there. So but if you'll see in the triangles, okay, anything common is coming. If I'll take this big triangle and this triangle, so no, then so I can take this one, and a part of this triangle is this one small one. In that triangle, in this big triangle, this small part is coming. Can I take? हाँ sir, है ना? In this ABD, okay, this big triangle, a small part is there in the same triangle, है ना? That is PQD. So PQD means PQD, this one. So along with this one, I have to take this one. You're saying, na? Okay, this one and this one. Okay, we'll see possible or not. Okay, so if I, for example, I have proved similar. For example, okay, first we'll see what can we do. So what I'm going to get, sir, AB by PQ is equal to this one is there. So AD by PD or BD by QD. This I am going to get. Okay, now I will place the values. AB value is, sir, x. This value is z equal to AD. AD we are having. So AD is not there. So PD is also not there. BD is not there. QD is also not there. So what we have to? We are not having any values apart from this one. So in this case, okay, we have to take some values. Okay, so we'll assume the values by ourselves. Okay, so what are the values we are going to take? So I have taken A and B in that case. So I'll say let BQ is equal to A and QD is equal to B. Why? It will be easy for us to do the sums. Okay, so according to this, let me write the value. So BD means how much? So from here to here A, from here to here B. So total will be A plus B. So this is A plus B, and this will be QD. QD means B only. Okay. So answer, what about this one? No need to take. Two values are sufficient. So I will take BD. BD is there, or BD. A plus B by QD is how much? B. Equation number 1. For example, I am getting this one. I don't know what I have to do, but I am doing a rough calculation right over here. Okay, along with you. Okay. So I got this value. So now, if these two are done, so we have to take these two again, because 1 by y, 1 by z also will come. Now you see, is that a part of that one? Huh, sir? In triangle BDC, BQDP is a part of the triangle. Okay. So now I will take this one, third one, and the fourth one. Okay. From here, if I have proved, for example, I have proved that two similar. So what will come? So CD by PQ is equal to BD by, okay, and BQ. Okay. Now, so why you are not written this one? No, we have understood, because we have taken the values now. So BD means how much? BD, again the complete value, A plus B. Okay, and here BQ means here in case of this is A. So CD is how much? So Y by Z is equal to A plus B by A. Equation number 2. Okay, so what can be done with this one? Sir, if you will see, sir, A plus B, B is there, A plus B, A is there. It's not similar, sir. It's not similar. Then what we have to do? Then what can we do after that is done? We have proved, according to you said, we have proved. But the thing is that we need 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by z. we are getting something else in the equation form. So up to here we have understood. Okay, okay. So after that, what we have to do? We are getting something else and they are getting something else. But if you'll see, we need 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. We have x is there, z is there, y is there, z is there, and apart from that, a, b is there, which are the terms which we have used for our convenience. Okay. So if I will take out x value from here, I will take out y value from here. So what I am going to get? Let me see. Okay. So x will be how much according to this one? So a plus b by b will be there, and I have to multiply z. Okay, according to this. And y value, if I will take out, a plus b is there, and a is there, and z will there. Okay, like this only. Now what I have to do? 1 by x plus 1 by y. 1 by x will be how much? So reciprocal 1 by x will be, so b will be there, a z plus b z. Okay, so 1 by y is equal to a z by a z plus b z, reciprocal, and I multiplied. Okay, so when I have to add this one, so do I am going to get z? Let me see. Do I am going to get z? Because x 1 by x I have, 1 by y I am having. So let me see, if I add, I will get the z value. If I am getting the value, so this is the right method. After you know this, all this, you will take two triangles, you'll prove it similar, and we'll do, because they have given you 90 degrees there in the common, everything will get. Okay, so we'll see we're getting or not. So this part I have let it for you. Okay, you have to see 1 by x plus 1 by, whether you're getting 1 by z or not. If you're getting, okay, in the comment box type yes. Okay, we are getting the answer. Okay, yes, answer is coming. Okay, you have to type that one, and let me see how many can, okay, do this one. Okay, simply I have cracked it. Okay, so this is the way you can do, because we don't know what you have to do in the starting. So they gave you these values. Okay, they have not given these values. Okay, so every case we will use a and b. If you will take a and b, it will be easy for you, convenient for you. Otherwise, without taking also, you can say bd is there or bq is there. If you will take like that also, is not having any problem. You can take the letters also. Okay, because many students will say, sir, how I will come to know where I have to take this value? So that's why. So take the letters as they have, because no value is there. I have taken this one because some students say, sir, we can take a, b. So by using that one also I did. Okay, so you understood what to do. I saw that x I have to take out. So anyhow I have managed to get x, 1 by x, after that y, from there 1 by y. Okay, when I should add this one and I should get 1 by z. So this is the work I have given to you. You need to complete. So like this only you do. If you take these two triangles, so there is no reason why, because these two triangles are two different triangles. Okay, and many properties or the values we are not having. So to consider them two is too difficult for us. Okay, simple. I am taking these two triangles for example. So what will happen? X by y. Okay, this one by this one will cancel up. No, AB by AB, what you will get? Nothing you will get. So these two will take, what is the z by z, cancel up again. So taking these two triangles is a wrong option. If I will take these two, that's what I have taken. Or I can take these two. If I will take these two, see, this triangle and this triangle. So it's not a part of the triangle. So if I will take this triangle and a part of that triangle, it will be very convenient for you rather than this one. Okay, that's the main thing. Why I have not taken these two triangle, you understood? Because x by y, a plus b cancel, or the z by z cancel. So if I am getting cancelled up, so what I am going to get? Nothing. So that's why I need to consider the triangle, this one, and the part of that triangle, big triangle, small one. And this is a big triangle, a part of that is small. So these two I have considered, and I saw that I'm getting the answer. Okay, and this is done. So we have understood the way we need to do the sum. Okay, so it's a clear cut. Okay, so we have understood how to do the sum, how to crack the sum. Okay, so this was a rough thing which I have did for you. Okay, and from here we came to know that is the answer we are getting. Okay, so the process is right. So after that we need to take the triangles, we need to prove them similar. After that the process. Okay, it's a very simple question but seems to be complicated, but a simple one. Okay, so as I told you, again I am saying, so whatever they give you, first you will take it from there. Okay, if direct values are there, okay, you will go for the thing what they are saying to prove. From there we will get the values or the triangle. But if it is not a direct value, so you have to obtain that value as we did in the previous case. Okay, then we will use the proof sums and we will do that one. Okay.